Good morning, folks. Reporting live from the Commonwealth State here in Virginia. Welcome back. Headed today towards Massanutten Ski Resort, located in Massanutten, Virginia. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. Today we're working with 1,110 feet of vertical, 23 total trails, and again, all trails are going to be open today. So we're getting great conditions early in the year for Mid-Atlantic skiing. Well, we just received 8 inches overnight. I gave it a 2.8 shred score, which is currently the lowest shred score. I did introduce the bump up system at Bryce Resort. They might be able to get a bump up. You know, they added a double black to their terrain. Excited to go try out this new double black trail named No Hesitation. Looking forward to getting on the hill today there in Massanutten, shredded some turns, and let's get ripping.
Alright folks, that's why we're here, trying today's new double black here at Massanutten, and No Hesitation. So without further ado, No Hesitation, here we go.
Well, we're all wrapped up here at Massanutten Resort, located in Massanutten, Virginia. What a day it was out there. Had a great time. I gave this place in the past a 2.8 shred score. Today, I'm going to go ahead and say that the bump up scale has been added, and it is in effect today. So today, we're going to bump up the shred score from a 2.8 to a 3.1 here at Massanutten in Virginia. So got the second resort in Virginia in the 3s finally, behind Wintergreen. Looking forward to getting to my next hill. Not sure where it's going to be, but I appreciate y'all tuning in, and I'll see y'all next time.